Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix Messenger bubble landscape. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Messenger and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the bottom, you're gonna find all of the sections, the chat section, people, and right here you're gonna find stories. So go back to chats, and then once you're here, go to the top left corner, click on this sandwich icon, and then right here you're gonna find your chats, marketplace, message requests, and lastly archive. So right now, go ahead and click on the gear icon in the top, and then you're gonna be here in the settings. Once you're here, just go ahead and scroll a little bit down until you find chat heads. So go ahead and disable chat heads, then enable it again. Then make sure you enable auto rotate on your mobile. So go ahead and search for this option right here. Then as you can see guys right here, go ahead and turn on auto rotate. Once you do that, make sure your phone is in portrait mode. Then you can turn it off if you want. And then go ahead and try to open Messenger Bubbles and see if you still have the problem. If you still have this problem, just go ahead and close Messenger. Then go to your settings. And then once you're here, go ahead and search for apps. Then search in this list for Messenger. So just keep scrolling until you find Messenger. Then go ahead and click on it. Scroll down until you find storage. Click on storage. And then click on clear cache. Once you clear your cache, go back to Messenger and try to open it again. And your problem should be fixed. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.